The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is the embodiment of modern luxury, blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. This flagship sedan continues to set the benchmark for what a true luxury vehicle should offer. From its poised stance to the whisper-quiet interior, the new S-Class is a masterclass in automotive sophistication. Right from the first glance, the exterior demands attention, not with loud statements, but with refined confidence. The design is sleek and aerodynamic, with softened edges and a more sculpted profile than ever before. The front fascia features a larger and more prominent grille, flanked by ultra-slim digital light LED headlamps that not only look futuristic but also offer adaptive lighting functions that adjust based on weather, traffic, and road conditions. The side profile flows gracefully, with flush door handles that pop out when needed, and the subtle chrome accents running along the window line add just the right amount of flash. At the rear, the redesigned tail lamps with a three-dimensional light signature leave a memorable impression, especially when viewed at night. Every inch of this car speaks of detail and deliberate craftsmanship. Stepping inside is where the real magic begins. The interior of the 2025 S-Class is like entering a first-class lounge on wheels. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials: soft-touch leathers, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting that makes every ride feel like an event. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the stunning 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the center console, floating just above the handcrafted materials. Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system has been refined even further, offering more intuitive controls, faster responses, and deeper personalization. Rear passengers are not left behind either. In fact, some might argue they have the best seat in the house. The sound system, powered by Burmester's latest 4D surround tech, delivers a concert hall experience, vibrating through the seats for a truly immersive ride. When it comes to performance, the 2025 S-Class doesn't just float, it glides. Whether you go for the S500 with its turbocharged inline-6 or the S580 with the biturbo V8, both come with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and mild hybrid EQ boost technology that offers smoother acceleration and improved efficiency. The suspension system has been re-engineered with e-active body control, which scans the road ahead and adapts in real time to deliver a buttery-smooth ride, even over uneven pavement. Fuel efficiency for a car of this class is impressive. The 0 to 60 time for the S580 sits around 4.4 seconds, a staggering number for something that feels this plush and serene. As for pricing, the 2025 S-Class starts at around $115,000 for the base S500 4MATIC, while the S580 4MATIC begins at approximately $130,000. But with options and packages, which most buyers will likely choose, you're looking at closer to $150,000 or more for a well-equipped model. And honestly, for everything you get, it feels justified. You're not just buying a car, you're buying an experience. Driving the new S-Class is more than just transportation, it's a statement. It tells the world you value refinement, innovation, and an uncompromising approach to quality. In a world full of luxury cars trying to outdo each other with gimmicks and excess, the S-Class remains focused, elegant, and effortlessly superior.
Thanks for watching Auto Reviews. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews every week. See you in the next one.